Okay, let me update this exercise. I did with radius instead of area of a circle. So let me go back to comparable circle here, compare to. We're supposed to be get area. Let me just fix it. Get area. Get area. I said when you run this program, the output will be same. Okay, it's going to return the circle with a bigger radius, or in this case supposed to be area. Okay, no matter what, is if the radius is 5, 10, and circle with the 10 will appear. So it's not quite clear. Okay, let me make it more clear in terms of outputs. So you may go back to ComparableCircle class, then you may consider creating two string method that may override these two string methods in circle class, so that we can have a area of that particular circle object. So basically saying here insert code to string, that's okay. Here we will say super class circle. We have one method called get area. This way we can actually print, okay, the size of the area of the circle object. So here, which is 3.14 pi multiplied by 10, so that's why it appears as 314. Okay, it's a clear, this is the object we are looking for with the particular area of a circle. That's all. Thank you.